Hello, I'm Jordan Yoreth, founder of Monroe, and today I'm going to show you a home in Alwoodley, which is home to some of the finest properties in the county of Yorkshire. And this behind me is no exception. Welcome to 266 Alwoodley Lane. Developed by the current owners, this property is a modern classic, and on arrival you are greeted by electric gates which grant access to a sweeping driveway and furthermore a double garage with electric doors. This home features one of the most impressive entrance hallways on the market for sale today in Leeds. With a galleried landing overlooking the entrance hallway, we also have access via a bespoke staircase to up to 7 bedrooms. Furthermore, there are 3 reception rooms available from this space, including a large formal living room with bespoke fireplace. There's a dining room and of course the wonderful cinema. Up to the first floor, and there are a total of 5 suited bedrooms, including the principal, and furthermore upstairs another 2 double bedrooms which share a house bathroom. One of the many crown jewels of this magnificent home has to be its open plan kitchen living diner, which features a hand-painted bespoke Tom Howley kitchen, finished with quartz worktops and breakfast bar. There's also underfloor heating, porcelain floor tiles, there's a Liebherr triple set of fridges, Miele appliances, Sonos speakers in the ceiling, and not one but 2 sets of bifolding doors which lead you out onto the magnificent south-facing terrace and of course, that golf course view. This is the principal suite, which includes a fully tiled ensuite bathroom, there's a walk-in dressing room, and of course, a wake-up view to die for, with a balcony overlooking the golf course and south-facing views. Externally, this property offers a true south-facing garden with the most excellent of golf course views. 4 of the rooms on the ground floor offer access onto a terrace, there's landscape gardens and even its own mini Wembley. This property really does hit the back of the net. If you'd like to find out more and arrange your viewing, call Monroe.